Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase Tron Bull using dextools.io. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at dextools.io. So what I first need to do is search for pairs. So I'm going to type in Tron Bull here, like so. And now there's going to be a lot of Tron Bulls here. So the correct one is Bull Wrapped TRX. And it's ending here, EAEM. Time recording, it's got volume 476,000 and it was created 17 days ago, and it's the 9th of the 9th 2024 time recording. So I'm going to click into Bull here. And now in order to purchase some Tron Bull, you need to, on the left hand side here, deck swap. It says here we currently don't support the Tron on this aggregator, but you can try on Sunswap V2 instead. So go ahead and click on go to Sunswap V2. A little pop-up will appear. Now give this a few moments to load. So what you need to do, you must have TronLink installed on your web browser. So as you can see, extensions, I've got TronLink and I'm logged in, and you need to have some money in there too. So if you don't know how to, if you don't have TronLink extension installed on your web browser, go ahead and download and install that. There's videos on YouTube for that. I've made one previously in the past, so you can check that out. Once you've done that, go over here and it will say Tron Bull. Scroll down and enter the amount of TRX to use to purchase Tron Bull. So at the moment I've only got 4.85, so I'm just going to do 4. And then from here, I'm going to click on, if I keep scrolling down, you can see the holder distributions and all that stuff. So I'm going to click on trade. And now another little pop-up will appear, TronLink. I need to sign this for it to go through. So I've signed that as well. So give that a few moments. It takes, yep, there we go. Transaction was successfully submitted. So now you want to click on confirm. And now if we go up here to TronLink, I'm over in my TronLink wallet here. So now I'm going to click on the plus icon. And now if we scroll down under assets, I'll be able to find what I've purchased here. So not followed, here's my Bull, Tron Bull. So I'm going to add this, click to follow. Followed. Now if I go back here, once that's done. Alright, there it is there. Bull, I purchased 11 cents worth of Bull, which is 5.58 Bull. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.